Hey guys, look at this. A cinematic product teaser, a stylized fashion video, a short film scene, all created in one place in minutes. No app switching, no broken workflows. That is WeryAI, and today I am going to show you exactly how it works. Let's dive in. Here is what making an AI video used to look like. You write prompts in one tab, generate images in another app, animate them in a third, add effects in a fourth, then spend another hour trying to make everything feel consistent. That is the old way. WeryAI collapses that entire stack into one platform. Same output, fraction of the time. Let me show you the actual workflow. Step 1. You open WeryAI's built-in chat and generate your creative prompt right there. No blank box staring at you, no manual prompt engineering. You describe what you want, the chat builds a strong, usable prompt for you. Fast ideation, multiple directions, ready to go. Step 2. Take that prompt straight into image to image. Your concept becomes a real visual, a product hero shot, a dramatic cinematic frame, a stylized character. This is where the idea stops being an idea and starts being an asset. Step 3. Take that image into image to video. One click and now it moves. It is no longer a still, it is a video asset ready for ads, social, or a full creative project. That three-step flow, chat to image to video, covers the full creation path inside one platform. And if your timeline allows, you can also run that same prompt directly through text to video for a completely different output using the exact same creative direction. Two routes, one platform, fast comparison. This is one of WeryAI's biggest strengths. You are not locked into one result. You take one idea, push it through different generation paths, compare the outputs, and pick what actually works for your brand or your campaign. That speed of creative testing is something you simply cannot get when you are juggling 5 disconnected tools. The second major advantage is the template library. WeryAI gives you a huge collection of image and video effect templates, and applying them is literally one click. Watch this. Same asset, completely different visual mood in seconds. For creators testing multiple ad styles or designers exploring different aesthetics, this is a serious time saver. And for beginners, it means you do not need a complex technical workflow just to make your content look polished and intentional. Beyond what I showed you, WeryAI also covers a wider set of features that round out the platform for real creative workflows. Subtitle cleanup, upscaling, background fixes, and more. The short version. Come up with the idea, turn it into visuals, animate it into video, enhance it with one-click effects, all in one place. Less chaos, more creating. If you want to try it yourself, the link is in the description. Drop a comment telling me what you would build first. An ad, a product teaser, a short film, anything. And subscribe if you want more breakdowns like this.